Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video. Today I'm going to be demoing off these Crackling Silver salutes. You get 36 supercharged pieces in this box. They're by Phantom brand fireworks, as you see. And that's what they look like. Nothing really on the back. As you see, it just says caution, crackling sparks. But anyways, let's get on to the demo. Alright guys, here goes the demo of the Crackling Silver salute. 36 charged pieces in this box. So let's get into it. I'm going to do 3 crackers out of this box. Alright guys, here goes one first. Come on, light. There we go. Not bad, not bad. Now let's get the other one. This time I'm gonna do the same thing. See how it does. Here we go. Not bad. Some of them went into the rocks. And here goes the last one. Last one. Not bad. Make sure you guys give it a like and also subscribe to my channel for more content.